Hello, friends. Sorry that my face is very much washed out right now. I have a window right in front of me. Uh, it is what it is. Anyway, so today we are going to learn how to take a screen recording in Flipgrid. It's super easy. I already went to where I need to record my response. So this is the screen that you see when you record your response. You go to Options right here, and then you're going to go Record Screen. Okay, and take you to this page. You say Start Screen Recording. And there I am in the corner again. And you want it to say your entire screen. So, and then you click on that guy, and you press share. And I'll give you a countdown, right? So, and now it's counting down up in this corner, just like it is when you record your response. So you can hide this if you don't want it in your screen recording. But that way, that should get you started with recording your screen for assignments. And then, as you can see, let's just go over here. You can go to any website or whatever, and it'll take you there. Let's go to musictheory.net, just like we're going to be doing in our assignment. Go to note identification, and this, my friend, says F. And so that way you can do your assignments, and I can see you do your assignments without being right over your shoulder, and I can just look at it later. So that's nice for everybody, isn't it? And so we'll go back over here, stop recording.
I'll give you a countdown.
Right.
So, and now it's counting down.
Don't want to listen to my annoying voice anymore. And you can see if we go over here, it recorded everything that we did on our computer, not just the page that we're on. It recorded everything. So you need to make sure that it says, where are we? Oh, well, I'll have to go back and look at it. But you have to make sure that it says your entire screen. When we get to here, I'll go back one more time. Close. Confirm. Oh. Go back one more time. So when you go to Options, Record Screen, Start Screen Recording, you need to make sure it says your entire screen, and click that and say Share. And that's how you're going to get your entire screen recorded. All right. Well, I think that is
recorded.
Oh.
All right.
I think that's everything. So I will see your responses and your beautiful faces in those. All right. I'll talk to you in the next one.